Hi guys, I hope you are fine. Here's Günther speaking from Eikonas Photography, and today I'm gonna show you a really quick tip. It's about creating vignettes, and I always do it in Photoshop because I don't like to do it in Lightroom, for instance. They are too perfect, and I want to get a little bit more individual, let's say. So the tool of my choice are the curves. It's an adjustment layer. You can integrate it in your workflow, and you bring the blending mode of the adjustment layer from normal to multiply, which darkens the whole picture. And then you have the white mask with the black color, with the black front color, and the brush with 100% opacity and 30% flow. You paint the original hue, saturation, the colors into the picture, and voila, we are ready. The edges are an individual vignette, which looks very nice, and it's not as perfect, not as even, not as straight as the possibility you get with other methods like creating vignettes in Lightroom. So that was a really quick tip today. Have a nice day, and till next time, bye.